Want to create eye-catching animated videos, but think it's too complex or time-consuming? What if I told you you can design smooth, professional-looking animations right inside Canva? No fancy software or experience needed. Stick around, because in this video, I'll show you just how simple and fun it is to bring your ideas to life with Canva's animation tools. Let's dive in and start creating your first animated video step by step. Third example, let's animate a simple park scene. Open a new video project in Canva. Head over to Elements, and in the search bar, type Park. Under Graphics, pick a park background, and resize it to fit the entire frame. Next, search for People. Change the filter to show only animated graphics. Then drag this animated boy character onto your canvas and scale him down. You can add more characters, trees, or even a sun to make the scene more lively. Just scroll through the elements and choose what you like. Now, a quick layering trick. If your boy ends up behind other elements, click Position, Layers, and drag him to the top. Hit R to add a rectangle. Add it over the boy. Stretch the rectangle to form a thin bar shape. Then reduce the transparency to 0. Hold Shift, select both the rectangle and the boy, and group them. Drag it to the left. Before animating, let's fix the bushes he's walking over. Select the background, click Edit. Choose Magic Grab. Then tap on the two bushes and hit Grab to isolate them. Now that it's fixed, drag the character off screen to the left. Go to Animate. Create Custom Animation, and drag him to the right side. Hold Shift whilst dragging to create a straight line. Change the movement style to Steady. Then hit Done. And that's it. Here's your third animated scene, simple and clean. Let's dive into our second example, an underwater animation. Start a new project. Go to Elements and search Seafloor Ocean Background. Under Graphics, switch to Vertical Orientation, and pick one that fits your style. Scale it to fit the frame. Go back to Elements, search for Scuba Diver. Under Graphics, and add one to the canvas. You can flip the diver to match your scene, and drag them off screen to the top left corner. Now, let's add some life. Search for elements like coral or seaweed. Under Graphics, and make sure to filter for animated graphics. Want a shortcut? Look for animated collections. They're already styled and grouped. Here's the trick. For every sea element you add, go to Position, Layers, drag the elements under the scuba diver and group them with a background. Hold Shift, select, and group. Only the diver stays separate. Select and drag the background up, add another element. Repeat this until you are happy with the background image. Next, go to Text, add your heading text. Change the font. To explore more font styles, just click here and scroll through this list. You'll find tons of options. We will select Cartoon, and pick one from here. Change the color to white. Go to Effects, add a black lift or outline effect, and adjust line spacing to around 1.2. Place the text on the canvas. Go to Position and group the text with the background like you did with all your elements. Now, duplicate the page. Bring the scuba diver onto the screen. Duplicate again. Drag the background up slightly and adjust the diver's position. Duplicate once more. Move the background up further. Then, go to Transitions, select Match and Move, and increase the duration for smooth animation. Apply between all pages. And there you go. You've got a beautiful underwater sequence. I even added a few animated water bubbles to make it pop. First example, create a cartoon wildlife animation. Open a new project, go to Elements. Search for Cartoon Forest Background, or try Savanna Background. Under Graphics, pick one, add it to the canvas, and scale it to fit your frame. Need more space for text? Go to Edit. Select Magic Grab. Select the trees or the objects you want to remove from the image, and click Grab. And delete. Now it's time to populate the scene. Go to Elements and search terms like tall grass illustration, savanna grass, elephant walking, giraffe eating leaves, zebra illustration, lion on rock, butterfly animation, water ripple animation. Under Graphics, be creative and add as many as you like. You can change the search settings to animated elements only. Once done, select all elements and group them. Then, group everything with the background using position layers. Duplicate the page. And on the first page, increase the background size to your liking. Add a match and move transition between the pages. Set to 1.5 seconds for a smooth zoom. Select the second page. Go to Text and add a text heading. Add your text. Change the font. Change the color to white. Go to Effects and give it a black outline. Trim the text length a little bit. And add a fade animation. And that's it. You have a stunning wildlife animation ready to share. Now you know 3 easy ways to create animated videos in Canva. Which one did you like best? The park scene, the underwater dive, or the wildlife animation? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your favorite. If you enjoyed this Canva animation tutorial and want a part 2, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.